There it is, the big one. Drop time. Oh, I'm just practicing. Whew, it's been a long freaking day. Finally saw one over there, kind of caught my eye. They have this tore up. I just hollered to Jeff, they gotta be another one here. And then I looked down through there and I was pretty sure that's that same white. That might be a matching set. Yeah. Pretty sure that's an antler. I haven't checked them yet, but it looks good to go. Okay, we found the knob facing southeast slope. They got the leaves all tore up. Looked hard. Finally see one shining. Little guy. Oh yeah. And then there's another one down here. We make each other practice on spotting them. Now I can't even find it. You see it yet, Jeff? Me neither. Just a little bit of white showing. Let me know if you guys see it. That's the thing about walking away from them. They're fun to find the second time around. I don't see. Yep, there it is. Boom. I don't know if it's a matching set or not, Jeff. Might be. Another little guy. Ooh. Ooh. I'm going to say that
Hello, it's Martin Finch with AVetHunt, and we're here to give away another Southern Ohio hunt this year. We're going to buy your license and tags and everything. All you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave me a comment. Thanks.
so. We're sitting here on the log, enjoying our lunch. We're talking about a game plan. One of us going to go down through there, and one was going to go back that ridge. And I looked over my shoulder, and I looked back there, and I was like, I think that's an antler shining. And see them little white things in there? Those are tips. Eaten up, might be last year's, but looks like a decent antler. Get an update here in a minute. All right, we're having lunch here on this freaking log. I've noticed some tips sticking up over here. It's eaten off. I think it might be last year's. Nice buck. This antler, pretty decent size. What do you think? I want to get a picture how it lays. All right, here we go. All the tops are eaten off. Wow. Yeah, it was a nice one. Nice long main beam. Big bases. I think it might be this year's. Jedi's on the board, baby. Good job, Jedi. Fucking been over there, found another horn. Good boy. Good boy. I know he's a good boy. Come here and get your lovin's. Come here, that's your first one of the year. I know, me and Jeff are good spotters. They're tough.
Hey guys, it's Martin Finch with AVetHunt. We're giving away a free Southern Ohio whitetail hunt, deluxe hunt. We're going to pay for everything. All you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave me a comment. Thanks.
We found a couple there at that last log. We sat over there for a minute. I was like, is this going to work? I went up there. We're looking for the other side of Jess because it looked fresh. I'm pretty sure that's it over there. So. Yeah, hunt towards me. Hunt towards me. Pretty nice one. Yeah, I think this is the other side to the one that Jedi found earlier. And you know what? It looks smaller, so as I walk up on it, I'm going to say it's a different buck. So I'm out here on State Woods, stumble across this box, and I'm like, hey man, look at this thing. I flip it open. You can tell I didn't notice for a minute. I took my stick through there just to make sure, and I noticed something shiny. Air Force Fighter Series F-86, Wright-Patterson, Air Force Base, Ohio. Nice.